What's up, guys? So future Jessica here. I wanted to do something a little bit different with this video for Cades Cove. When we were in Tennessee, we went to Cades Cove 2 times. So the very first day, we got up at sunrise and went to Cades Cove, and it was spectacular and breathtaking and amazing. We wanted to take the whole family that was vacationing with us, so there was another time when we went at sunset, right before sunset. So I had 2 totally different experiences of Cades Cove that I wanted to share with you guys, and I thought, how do I put this into one video? So this is what we're gonna do. This is gonna be like a comparison video, okay? So which time of day is better? Which time of day had more traffic? When was the lighting better? When do we see more bears? Which is, of course, the most important and the #1 thing you go to Cades Cove for. So I'm gonna highlight some of that stuff and let you guys know the experience that we had when we went in the morning, and then the experience that we had when we went in the evening. So that's what this video is about. I hope you love it. Alright, it is exactly 6:18 and we made it to Cades Cove for sunrise. We're so excited, we just got here, so.
Where's the bears?
Oh yeah, we're looking for bears. Birds are singing. It's pretty.
Head on a swivel. Find the bears. Find the
They're here
bears.
somewhere. Oh, there's 2. There's 2.
Looks like it would be a good spot for some bears.
Hypothetically, if you were a bear.
Now would be a great time to say, I'm a bear.
Hi. Well, we're coming back to this loop with the fam at some point. So we'll get another chance to like. This is where we stopped last time and took a bunch of pictures.
Yep.
Great.
That's what I was going to say.
And the Jeep just said,
Yep, I said, and we were good.
like this.
And we never imagined in a million years we would have a truck this huge.
No. Okay, what's out there, Jordan?
Bears.
Bears. 3 bears. We saw a mama and 2 cubs when we first came into Cades Cove. And then we just saw, there's another one. Is that another one or is that grass?
I don't know. I can't tell. I'm trying to figure it
Can't
out.
tell either.
At this point, everything looks like a bear.
Okay, and then there were 3 more in this meadow, 2 running together and then 1 walking by itself. So right now it's 8:30 at night. We came in here for sunset and to see like if we would have better luck in the evening time, and we have already seen way more than we saw a sunrise. We only saw 2 a sunrise, like 1.5 because the one was so far away. And we haven't seen anything like super up close or anything, but definitely better than.
So far, definitely come at nighttime right before it goes down.
Yeah, 8:30 right now.
Do know that the park closes at dusk, whatever time that is.
Yeah,
In the winter, that's going to change from the summer.
sure. Like it's June, so you know, dusk is like 9 o'clock, 9:15 right now. So anyway,
And it was hot today,
it was so hot today. It was like 100 degrees.
so we're thinking they're starting to come out now because now it's starting to cool down enough to where they're capable.
Yeah, it was like 100 and sunny and hot today, and now it's like 78 and cool. Like we can bear to be outside there.
Here. Oh my God.
We can handle being outside. So anyway, just bring your patience because there were a lot of people stopped for the first bears and people started honking. And like, I get that you want to see it too. And like, you know, people blocking the road is frustrating, but that's really rude and disruptive to the animals.
Scares the bears.
So just don't do it. Just be patient.
Can we say bring your patient pants?
Patient pants.
I don't know why, but that makes me giggle.
Okay. Well, we are, I think, coming up on the visitor center. We're going to stop for a potty break, and I don't think the visitor center is open right now. I think they
No.
probably closed at like 5.
Yeah, I'm sure of that.
So anyway, and then we'll have like the whole other part of the loop to do. So hopefully we see more bears.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, back again. I hope you guys loved our video. And now I'm gonna kind of go over the things that we loved about morning and evening. So sunrise, the number one thing that we loved about sunrise was there was no traffic. Like the parkway in Pigeon Forge was completely empty. Like I'm sure you saw that in the video. It's crazy how empty it was. No traffic in Cades Cove. It's an 11-mile loop, and we, I don't know, took about 2 hours to go through there, and there was no traffic. So that was really neat. We did see bears at sunrise, but not like I thought we would. I thought we would see a lot more animal activity. They were there, but they just weren't out in full force like I expected. The visitor center was closed. Being there that early, they didn't open until 8, so we were unable to get our passport book stamped or any stickers or anything from Cades Cove. So that was kind of a downside of being there so early. On the flip side, at sunset, I think we left the campground at like 6 p.m. or something. The gift shop was also closed at sunset. So we really missed the ball on getting our passport stamped, even though we were there 2 times. Sunset was definitely busier with traffic, a lot more traffic. A lot of people stopping in the road, which you're not supposed to do, but you know, it happens. But on the plus side, sunset, we saw so many bears. I think the first spot we saw 3, the next spot we saw 2, and then there were a few individual ones. I think in total we saw like 10 bears. So that was crazy, and we were crazy excited to see that much wildlife being so active at sunset. So overall, I would say if you're looking for animals, in our experience in the middle of June, sunset was the best time. If you're looking for no traffic and being able to take things at your own pace and not feeling rushed by other people, sunrise would be the right time. If you're looking to see animals and that's what you're after, for our experience, we were there in the middle of June, and sunset was definitely the best time for us to see animals. If you want to go hike and you want to go see the ruins of the old churches that are on the loop, if you want to go to the visitor center, if you want to talk to a ranger, avoid sunrise and sunset. Go during business hours so you can do all of those things. We did not take any of the hikes, get out and see any of the buildings. We have done that before, so we didn't do that on this trip. But you know, that's always an option too, to go explore more, take time. You could definitely make Cades Cove, bring a picnic and make Cades Cove a day-long adventure. So, yeah, that's my review of Cades Cove, sunrise or sunset. If you want to see bears, in our experience, sunset, 100%. It's a beautiful, beautiful drive no matter what time of the day that you go, and we really, really love it and highly recommend it to anybody who visits Great Smoky Mountain National Park.